Hola chicos, vamos a estudiar las conjugaciones de los verbos ER y ER. So please turn to page 6 in your packet to take notes on our ER and IR verb conjugation. Okay, for the present tense ER and IR verb conjugation, we follow these steps. Remove the ER and IR at the end of each verb to leave the stem of the verb. Add the ending or the terminación depending upon the subject. La forma yo es o. La forma tú es. La forma él, ella, usted, e. La forma nosotros, hemos, oímos. Hemos we would use for verbs that end in ER, and imos we would use for verbs that end in IR. La forma vosotros, eis or is. Again, eis would be for verbs that end in ER, and is would be for verbs that end in IR. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, en. Okay, vamos a practicar. Make sure that you are writing down what these verbs on the next two slides mean, and then their conjugations again on page 6 in your packet. Okay, el verbo comer significa to eat. Yo como, I eat. Tú comes, you eat. Él, ella, usted come. He eats, she eats, you formal eat. Nosotros comemos, we eat. Vosotros coméis, y'all eat. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. They eat or you formal plural eat. El verbo abrir significa to open. Yo abro, I open. Tú abres, you open. Él, ella, usted abre. He opens, she opens, or you formal open. Nosotros abrimos, we open. Vosotros abrís, y'all open. Ellos, ellas, ustedes abren. They open or you formal plural open. Okay, chicos, I'm going to post a link for this kind of cute, funny little video to help us remember the conjugations for our ER and IR verbs in the present tense. Remember that although in the song they say we don't need to know the vosotros forms, you all do. Again, I'm going to post the link in Seesaw. Okay. For your homework for tomorrow, in addition to having your notes completed on page 6, please make sure you do the más práctica that is in the box at the bottom of the page. Please note that even though the directions say complete the sentences below with the correct form of the AR verb in parentheses, that's just a typo that we are actually practicing with the ER and IR verb conjugation that we reviewed today. Buena suerte.